Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Chromebook 3100. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we're addressing today is a loose camera connector on your Dell Chromebook 3100. This problem can occur due to wear and tear over time, or if the device has been dropped. If left unaddressed, you may find that your camera intermittently fails to work, which can be quite frustrating, especially if you rely on it for video calls or online classes. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, a plastic prying tool, and some replacement adhesive. First, ensure that your Chromebook is powered off and unplugged. Start by carefully opening the device using the plastic prying tool. Gently insert it along the edges of the casing to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, locate the camera connector on the motherboard, which is typically situated near the top edge of the device. You may need to remove a few screws to gain full access to the connector. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove any screws holding down the cover. Be mindful of the force you apply, as over-tightening can damage the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover and locate the loose camera connector. Carefully disconnect the cable by pulling it straight out, ensuring not to tug on the wires. Take your replacement connector and align it properly with the socket. Push it in gently until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging surrounding components. Once the connector is secured, reattach the cover by reversing the steps you took to remove it. Make sure to replace all screws and ensure everything is snug but not overly tight. Before closing the device fully, power it on to check if the camera is functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent the camera connector from becoming loose again, handle your device with care, avoid dropping it, and consider using a protective case. Regularly check for any signs of wear and act quickly if you notice any issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.